Alright, installing the frame sliders on the eliminator. So the OEM frame sliders, how do you do it? So the left side of the bike, look right here. This little spinny thing. Right here, that's where it's going. Alright, all the tools you need are a 1/8 hex screw. That's for the plates. If you don't have a torque wrench, you can use a 1/4 hex. But if you do have a torque wrench, in this case I got a 3H drive and I'm using a H6 hex screw. Those bolts are an 8mm thread, so they need 10 to 13 pounds of foot torque. Alright, step one, line everything up. So you got this part and this part. Pop. You got this part. You got the slider itself. Make sure that washer's on there. Put it through here. Pop. You got this part. Put it right through here. Pop. You take this part. It's gonna look like this. All in total. That's gonna go right through here. In this case, I'm using an Allen wrench to tighten it down. Alright, I'll see you then. Alright, so we got all the pieces together. This one, this one, this one. Sorry, this one, this one, this one, this one. All tightened just with an Allen wrench. Right through there. Shove it through that hole then. Boom. Use this torque wrench. We got it on 10. And then tighten that up exactly to spec. Hold this. There we go. That's exactly 10. It says 10 to 13. Alright, now that that's put in, see those two holes on the right side? You take your well nuts, put them through here, bop, bop. The final step, take your cover and your screws, put it through here, and then get that aligned. Alright, we're on the eliminator, the right side. The slider is going to go right there. Boom. There's the right side. But get that to 10 foot-pounds of torque. Make sure you hold that in place. There we go. There's 10. Finish it off. Put these two back in. Pop. take this piece again, put it through there, and take your screws there and there. Alright, once you got that tightened, you're done. Frame sliders.